for your warm welcome and hospitality according to me and my delegation. I always enjoy to be here. And I have to also admit that, honestly, you are a very humble man and down to earth to visit at my residence. Thank you for that. I really appreciate it. Also, I wanted to thank you, Mr. President, and the government, your government, and the people of Kenya for your contribution, in the peace and security in Somalia. Of course, Kenya is part of AMSOM, who lost a lot of good men and women in fighting against Al-Shabaab and the terrorist organization. I will assure you their sacrifice will not go in vain, Also, I wanted to thank your government and the people of Kenya for hosting thousands of Somali families who successfully work here, do business, and raise their family peacefully. We always appreciate that. Kenya and Somalia definitely has developed a close ties and historic relationship which based on mutual respect and equal footing, and we always appreciate. As you said, we discussed on several issues, including to reinstate the direct flights from Mogadishu directly to Nairobi, and to stop the Wajir stopover. We really appreciate. Also, we agree that to issue visa on arrival, particularly our public officials who come here for government business, we also appreciate. We have a lot of things in common, for sure. We have a lot of things in common, our people to people, government to government, business to business. Of course, we have a trade, okay, that's really mutually benefit for both countries. And people basically take it, our differences rather than our common interest. And that's why I have to assure that the ICJ issue will not affect our bilateral relationship, and to make sure that we both benefit our government-to-government relationship. And I really thank you for your great hospitality and reception. Thank you so much.